Baby, it's nearly July. Talk about it day and night.
Let's create in Filmora 13 application. Begin by uploading your picture and music. Change the aspect ratio to 16:9. Make sure the aspect ratio of pictures is 9:16. Shrink size, place it at corner like this. Make its copy, bring it down as overlay. Place it at adjacent position. Similarly, make 10 copies and place over the screen, as you can see. Export it. Open in New Project. Change clip aspect ratio to 9:16 now. Now zoom in the clip. Place its left side at the screen as shown. Mark keyframe. Mark another keyframe at the end. And move the screen all the way to the left, like this. Make its copy. Switch track. Place it below the main clip. Now repeat the same step. Place one keyframe at the left side and place it like this and move it to the left while marking second keyframe at the right end. Export this. Open in a new project. Decrease opacity to 60%. Enter lyrics. Font style Cunia. Place words like this. And give them animation of your choice. Click audio, add beats. Locate the position of lyrics and synchronize text with it. This is how it should look like. Export. Again, open in new project. Place pip of same image. Place it on the screen like this. Click Smart Cutout and remove background. I need darker background, so I reduced its exposure to -13%. That's all. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Also comment or like on the videos.